I feel like I could get some numbers in this lipstick, let me tell you.
What up? It's Aja from the Fenty Beauty team, and I am so excited. I have the lovely Sonjdradeluxe. I'm so lucky because she's gonna do shots and swatches with me today, and it's in honor of National Lipstick Day, but she's a true Canadian, so we're giving her the mic today.
Amazing. I'm so excited to do this. Also slightly terrified. Really start to try on these lippies, and I've never done anything like this, but super stoked. We've been wanting to do this for a very long mother-loving time.
So you've seen these Mattemoiselle shades before, but we're gonna jump in because Sonjra looks good in every lip color. I'm gonna look a little crazy, but it's worth a shot.
Let's do it.
In true shots and swatches style, we start off with one shot.
Let's do it!
Today we're doing a little tequila, tequila mommy. Oh, I can't even open it. There are 10 shades. We're doing our 10 new shades, so that's gonna be a total of 11 shots, and maybe like 12 because we'll do one at the end.
Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out.
I just gotta, okay, I wanna do a full.
I like being scared.
I'm not even gonna do the full thing because I don't want us to die.
You know, we just wanna be a little loose.
Oh, we're also in Canada, you guys.
Yeah, we're in Vancouver, my
I had to take
hometown.
a break.
Cheers.
Okay, that wasn't bad. All right, so let's start off with like lip scrub, you think?
Yeah, absolutely. Prep these babies up.
We have that Pro Kisser scrub. Get them lips ready to kiss.
And they get so luscious when you do this too. Scrub-alicious.
Oh my lips are hella crusty.
Not no more. I just love the way that this smells too. Like it smells like fresh apricot seeds.
There's apricot seeds in it.
Delicious.
I like to put lip balm on.
Yeah, let's do it.
Give it a little slip. We share. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. We're gonna share a mirror too.
So I think we should try to go in order of like nudes to brights.
Gotcha.
So the first shade is I Quit. Have you tried this one before?
No, I don't think so.
This one,
It looks
I'm
kind
gonna
of
say,
purpley.
it's a little, it's gonna make my lips look like, you'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it, like kind of nudish, but
Like taupe.
yeah. She's a pro, she can do it without a mirror.
I never do lipstick while looking. I don't do anything.
That's
with
crazy, you
lipstick.
did it perfectly.
Did I?
You did it
she's on there.
perfectly. Oh, but it looks good on you.
I kind of like that one.
I like it, I can't lie.
Delish.
Do we look similar? We're actually the same Fenty foundation shade too.
Isn't that crazy? Because I need to neutralize a color on my face, so I find we both wear 370.
Yep.
And for it to look neutralized and for it to match my body, I wear that shade and it like matches me perfect. Even though we look like
I know, look
different, like I'm
it's
super
different.
red, but we wear the same shade, so.
Okay.
Cute.
Next shot.
I love that mirror. Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna try and put our lipstick marks for each one that we do and make like a little Mattemoiselle rainbow here. So this is the first one.
We gotta pour up. How you feeling after shot one?
I feel like great. I feel normal. I feel like a nice girl with a
Normal.
lot to offer. I feel like the night is young.
So normal is not what we're going for, so
No.
drink up.
Yeah, we want to go, you know, we'll be a little bit
Abnormal.
abnormal. There's our first bit of art. Alrighty, next up, we have this lovely lady. Her name is Thick, which is totally a mood, a goal, you know.
Yeah, I wish I was thick.
I want to be like, you know, I want to be
thick.
like 4 or 5 C's thick, you know. This
Yeah.
one's a 2 C's thick, so.
I want to be thick-gay. Thick-gay. That's like the elegant
too.
way of being thick. So this is like kind of rosy-ish.
And it's almost got a little bit of like a mauvey tone to it. There's lots of mauvey nudes, which I think is super tight.
I want to know your trick to like putting on lipstick without looking, because you just literally were like, bloop, bloop.
So my trick to apply thick is I basically start in the center and then I rub my lips together, because I find when you wear lipstick, you're gonna touch your lips together later on anyways. So wherever it like rubs in and goes on my lips naturally is where I'll just like touch it up there again. And I kind of just feel for my lips. I think because I do a lot of makeup with my hands too, I have a very good idea of my face. I do lipstick with fingers too. So I feel like just
Wait,
by
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I know you do everything else in your hands. Like you like do foundation like it's a moisturizer. You're like,
absolutely, because you gotta feel where it is. Like unless I'm actually doing like a certain shape or whatever, I kind of like let it go where it's gonna go, because I know that's how it's going to end up in a little while. You know what I mean?
That's a true artist. That's like a true artist
Let it
statement.
be. Yeah.
Next time I'm gonna just try to put it on with no.
Yeah, we're not using the mirror.
No guidance.
Even though, can we talk about how freaking cute it is? And it actually stands up. Like it has perfect weighted balance so that you can stand it up. Very much in love with this.
Okay.
I'll pour it this time.
Yes,
I'll be a gentleman
you do
today.
the honor.
I'll do it. Blah, blah.
Yeah.
Oops, I got it in your finger, sorry. I was
Like
like,
a little sip sip.
either you look how far I'm going on right in a second. That's so hard. I didn't push hard enough. Are you okay?
I'm good. She's back.
More lippies.
I'm ready. This one is Ballerina Blackout. For some reason, it's so hard. Like, I know ballerina is a word, but like, I always want to say ballerina.
Yes.
I'm like,
it can be ballerina.
It's a funky twist on a Ballerina Blackout. She's a bubblegum pink girl. I'm like watching you.
We good? You did it! That was good. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, but it's a little short.
Whatever, just like get a little finger like this.
Okay, now she's a little overdrawn.
I mean, isn't that what we want?
The new trend?
Yeah, that's the trend. Who puts lipsticks on their lips nowadays? Everyone puts it all the way over.
You know.
This is like a very 2000s like lipstick shade, I feel like. On some bamboo hoops, you know, some gold. I think it looks dope on you. And this is what my favorite thing is about makeup. I don't think it needs to suit you or not suit you or be the right shade or not the right shade. Yeah. If you feel like you can be that bitch in that shade and you have the confidence for it, you can wear whatever you want.
That's some real,
you know,
ish. With that being said, we're on to shot number
4. Shot number 5. I don't know how to count.
Notice that we have not chased yet. Real OGs.
Thug life.
Oh.
Should I pour some?
Nope.
That's the life I chose.
Please everyone look at the amount she poured. So.
Look at how scared I look right now.
Just wait to the end.
So cheers.
Here we go. All right.
That would make me quiver.
I can't. I make the ugliest faces, so.
I'm pretty sure I just gave myself 12 chins with the way I look. You know what one of my favorite things is about these two? Because I've done like swatch videos with these. They don't stain and they have crazy pigmentation and they feel like velvet on your lips. So it's like, I feel like it's very like flexible matte shade. Some mattes I feel like really age my lips and these just feel like a soft powder and then you don't have stained lips after, so.
Okay, you announced the next shade.
So this one I'm super excited about. Pumpkin Rose is going on right now. I think the shade's super dope and I think it's gonna look pretty cool with my hair because it's hella blue.
Oh yeah.
Should we try the technique again?
I'm gonna just keep going.
I'm finger blending.
This. Oh shoot. Okay, I gotta watch
inside. And then just feel from where the top is.
I think I
delish. Let's see. Yeah, this is like a soft blur lipstick that you've done. Like you have
I might have took too much off, honestly.
No, that's okay. I mean, it's a mood. Like sometimes I'll put lipstick just in the center and I'll buff it out towards the edges, so it's like almost a little pouty.
That looks
I like that color.
Hair.
Does it?
It looks great with hair. Let's give it a reveal. This is even more exciting. It's like you can't see what you're doing, and then big reveal.
It's a big reveal. This is very exciting. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Oh. I think I need blue hair now.
This color is so tight.
On to the next lip press.
I thought this was gonna be beautiful, unique art, but it's looking a little crazy.
Okay. It looks okay.
Yours looks better because I keep licking it off.
Next up, we have
Ooh,
Tiger Teeny. Another orange. It's like a burnt orange. So.
I love this one on you so much. That's a really good one. There's a patch that came off when I was talking to you.
She's like, I love it, but fix it.
Ready to reveal? Uno, dos, tres.
Oh, it's cute.
I love this color.
She's cute. I gotta say, this is probably one.
This is a poppin' one. We should probably wear this together at the same time.
Okay, tomorrow.
We're here!
Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna wear a long straight wig today because the straighter the wig, the straighter the lines on your lips.
Exactly. That's why you didn't even have to look this whole time because the wig is so straight and long that she got her lines on her lips straight and perfect.
Everything's straight except for my brain process. Okay, let's take the shot. Stand up, do a shake.
Cheers.
Cheers. She's like, I'm like, okay, let's stand up and shake. No, I'm drunk.
All right, this one is Dragon Mommy.
I love this color. It honestly looks so different on so many different skin tones. Like every time I repost a picture, and I see someone wearing it, I'm like, that looks good on every single person.
I love that.
You ready to look?
Oh yeah.
I think I'm getting good at this.
I think you are too. You just have to like not give no F's and just be like, this is how it's gonna look. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I feel like I could get some numbers in this lipstick. Let me tell you, I love this color.
I'm saying it.
You should try it on T.
Come on.
Come on, T.
With the
with your hair,
yes.
You just see the spiders. Bitch's
filming with us right now?
Oh, yes.
See, look at her hair. Her hair is that color.
Look at I'm already lit. I don't know where lipstick.
Look, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's
you love it, right?
It's so cute.
We got a new Fenty Beauty fan.
I love it. Oh, do I take a shot now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to meet the magic behind the camera.
Yeah. Cheers to matching lipsticks.
Like that. Matching lips.
Here you go.
Oh. Okay, well, I have to burp, so please hold. I'm so drunk. I'm drunk.
Are you gonna die?
No. That's all that matters.
Like, honestly, I surprised myself. If the Egyptians could build the pyramids, I could survive this video. Alrighty, we got flamingo acid coming up real quick. Also not looking again.
This is another one that, if you can't tell, we're drunk. This is another one that looks really good on everybody too. And I reposted, I'm like, yep. I forgot the technique, I think.
Rub them together outside of the lips by feeling. Gotta do a little finger blend. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, see, I told you. I told you.
My price went up. Your price went up. Do we like it?
Love.
We do.
Love.
Henry, are you gonna do a shot?
Hi. Give me all the liquors. Let's get weird.
Let's get weird. Cheers to being weird and having personality. Bye.
Ooh.
Literally bye, because we're gonna die.
That's zesty. Well, thank you guys for having me. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for coming. Moving on here. Violet Fury coming at ya.
I got a feeling this is gonna look real poppin' with your hair.
I hope so.
She's Violet and she's furious.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And, oh wait, I missed like a whole. Okay.
You know what?
I haven't mastered this thing yet with no mirror.
I really love this one. You know what? This reminds me of Missy Elliott in the Super Duper Fly video.
Yes.
Okay, next shot we're gonna do.
We're going through this full bottle.
Cheers. I'm gonna take my horse down the old town road. I'm gonna ride 2 more lipsticks. Turks and Caicos.
I don't know if I'm putting it on because I have on so much lip balm.
Yeah, it's going on super sheer, but this is good. We're showing a range.
No,
Yours
yours
looks like a gloss. Yeah. I mean, we're just like on this magical journey. 1, 2, 3.
You look so good every time, and I can't even see myself, and I'm just not ready to look at myself. Oh, you know, it would have been good if I applied it actually, but I missed
You applied it, and you have the balm on. It's delectable. Cheers. You know.
I don't know. Just now?
10 shots in.
9 shots. Oh, 10 shots in.
I'm so hungry.
And drunk, right?
No.
Effing black. Effing black.
Why I'm so excited, it's like several reasons, right? One, we're both black, even though she's mixed, she's half black.
And
she said, I'm both bitch. This reminds me of you because Wu-Tang Clan is your favorite fucking
Absolutely,
group.
I just saw them the other day.
That's not.
Let's do it.
Don't look.
Oh yeah. Wow. There's no place to hide once I step inside the room. Time to do, prepare for the boom. Very close to the force and my style is awesome.
That's why they copyright you.
Yeah. No.
Well, I did a great job applying this. I just looked and it looks amazing.
I mean, we did our best.
Look at mine.
There's a little. Here's the thing. We're doing our best. All right, so we got our last shade on. She got some shades on. If anyone sees any sunglasses, I would like to wear them.
We are very intoxicated and we have nailed this video. So, if you have anything to say, I truly care. Like, subscribe, and follow at Fenty Beauty. And of course,
thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow, love yourself, stay pretty. We're here.
It's so easy for someone this beautiful to say stay pretty.
Oh my god, stop. No, stay pretty is however you feel pretty is the right way to do it. So
I think I didn't fix my lipstick and I'm okay with that. To finish our rainbow of lipstick colors, we're gonna have to take a shot. Okay.
Cheers, signing out.
I think I died.
Bye.